Hello, I'm so glad you're here. In this video, we're going to determine which relation is not a function. In order to be a function, x can never repeat itself. So if x does repeat itself, it is not a function. So we're going to look at our x values in each of the ordered pairs, and I'll underline the x value because each of these go x, y, x, y. Do you see a time when x repeats itself? I'll take it a little bit step further and I'll explain to you that's an x value and a y value, that's an x value and a y value. These are called ordered pairs. So, do you see where x does repeat itself? So this is not a function. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.